how to create an account on Coursera. So if you want to create an account on Coursera, then first you need to open up a browser. So for example, I'll be choosing a Chrome browser and then go for the search bar and search for Coursera. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is www.coursera.organization. And here you can go for the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and then you can go for join for free, which is on the first bottom. Tap on join for free, and here you can sign up to your account or create your account. So to create an account on Coursera, you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or you can continue with your Apple, or you can also sign up with your organization. So I'll be signing up individually. So first you need to enter your full name, and then you need to enter your password, and then you need to enter your mail, and then you need to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password, which is between 8 to 72 characters. Enter your password, and once you created your password, tap on join for free, and that's it. Your sign up has been completed. Now you've created your account. So what you can do is just simply skip this part, and that's it. That's how you create your account on Coursera. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.